it's Trina. Welcome back to my channel. Remember to like and subscribe, and today I'll be doing my alpha brush review and how to break in your new acrylic brush. So I just got back in, and tonight my alpha brush order came in, and it's in this cute holographic package, so let's open it up. So as I open it, my brushes are in these cute containers, and we're gonna take them out. Oh, they're so beautiful. I paid $38.59, shipping was free. So I'm a beginner, so I got a number 9 and a number 8. These are so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. This is my number 9 brush, and it is beautiful. It just has a rounder, fatter tip to it. And this right here is the number 8. It has a longer handle to it, and it's thinner, but I love this. So I ordered alpha brush because they're, the best. So let's try to break these in. Just remove the little plastic caps that come with it, and remember to just put pressure on the tip of the brush, guys. You're going to push down, and you're going to hear a little tss noise, and that's you breaking off the starch from the brush. And all you're going to do is roll the brush back and forth, back and forth. There isn't a certain amount of times you should do it. Just keep rolling until it starts to, like separate. So next what you're going to do is you're going to flick your brush. You're going to just keep flicking. And what's going to happen is that you're going to see these little particles start to fly off the brush. That's perfectly fine. That's the starch that they put on the brush. So when they ship it to you, it's all together. You got to break that off and take that off. Just keep flicking, keep going, guys. Next, this part is super important. You have to use warm water. Don't use hot water. You're gonna damage your poor brush. So you're gonna just put your brush in, dip it in, go back and forth on a paper towel, and you're gonna start to form your brush. Yep, and just repeat, put it back in the water, and just start to shape it. These are my first alpha brushes, so I dipped mine in the water about 3 or 4 times. I just wanted to make sure the stiffness was gone, and I just shaped it, and this is what it turned out like. Okay guys, so we're gonna do it one more time. So we're gonna take my number 8 brush, and we're just gonna repeat. Remember, you're gonna take the tip, push it down, you're gonna hear that noise. That's good, you're breaking the brush. And you're gonna keep putting force. Then you're gonna take it and roll. So all the little bristles start to expand back and forth. Next, remember to flick off all the little particles. Just flick, get all that starch off, guys. Remember, use warm water, dip your brush in, and then you're going to take it out, get a little water off, and shape that bad boy. Remember, just keep forming until you feel like all the little particles are gone from the brush and it feels good, and you just shape it. When you're all done, you're gonna leave it overnight just to dry. Don't go ahead and use it on acrylic yet. Let it just sit for a little bit, let it breathe. I personally ordered alpha brushes because everyone says these are the best ones ever. They have the wood handle, they can stand up using acetone, and I just know they're really good quality. So let me know, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful. Let me know what you guys do, what you have tips on. Just like and subscribe, comment below. Let me know, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.